Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2021 Polaris Ranger XP 1000. Has a full hard cab. Has some additional LED lights up front. Front tires look like they're 80-90% tread with 10-ply. Has a street legal kit with blinkers, side mirrors, tilt assist dump box. Rear tires are the Pro Armor X Terrain. They look like they're roughly 75-80% tread. Tilt assist dump box. 3-person bench seat. Turn signals, heater, wiper. This machine's got 10,469 miles on it. 1,348 engine hours. I'm gonna take a video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always call us at 406-232-3300.